Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I am a professional makeup artist. Today I want to show you how to do a lilac makeup look. The first step of course is to thoroughly moisturize our skin. I'll use a toner from the brand Anua and this will be my first step in moisturizing. Apply it to your hands and distribute it over your face. After that I'll use a niacinamide serum also from Anua. I'm taking Pierre Rene, applying it to my hand. It's quite thick. I apply it with my finger and then use a sponge. This way the coverage will be lighter and not as heavy. It covers up any imperfections well. If you need a full coverage foundation, you can consider this as an option. I love to brighten the inner corner of the eye. Take a concealer or corrector. You can also use a tint or light white eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corner of the eye. I have a brush that mimics the shape of the eye's inner corner. It's semicircular and anatomical, so it's very easy to create this shape with it. With the same corrector and a flat brush, I'll draw a guideline for our future eyeliner and makeup look. This way, it's much easier to achieve a clean, even makeup look. I apply a brown tint and use it to shape the form, making sure to blend it out. I also apply it to the inner corner of the eye. On top of the NYX glitter base, I stick on pigment from Tami Tanaka. After that, I work with purple eyeshadows. Take note, I use the Hourglass palette to slightly blend out the eyelid so that the darker shadows go on much cleaner and softer. This is an essential step. I always use it to keep my blending clean and the transitions soft. I apply white eyeshadow to the corner and then repeat the same on the lower eyelid. With the NARS concealer, I separate the upper and lower eyelids and create a double-winged liner. Also, to enhance the contrast, you can go over this area with a white pencil. Be sure to wipe away any eyeshadow fallout under the eyes and restore the coverage. I added a bit of foundation and then took the NARS concealer again to go over the triangle under the eyes. I love the NARS concealer. It has a waxy texture, goes on very smoothly, and creates a beautiful effect. Next, with the Heen bronzer, I sculpt the light and shadow on my cheekbones and forehead area. I add blush from Vivienne Sabo. These are mousse blushes. They also have a very interesting texture. Next, I take the Heen powder and apply it to my T-zone and under my eyes to smooth out my skin. This is so that my skin looks retouched in the videos, but I don't leave my skin completely matte and then add bronzer from Hourglass. It has a very delicate texture and gives a beautiful glow. Next, I shape my lips with a pencil from Blur Design. I really like these pencils. They have a great texture and are quite long-lasting. And with that, we finish our makeup.